What's up, guys? Welcome back to the lab. I'm in front of the 2JZ M3 right now, and it's time to bolt this stuff up enough, get everything intact, because I'm gonna put the wheels on. I'm gonna put everything that needs to go inside. That's gonna require fabrication. That includes the intercooler, the blower valve, wastegate, downpipe that I have, just a bunch of parts. Throw those in the car, load those in, get this hood on, because right now it has no hood, as you already know. So get the hood on and get that blanket off, that towel, and then yeah, get this thing out, load it up, and take a nice long drive to get some fabrication done. So let me get to work upstairs. Alright, guys, hood is on, closed beautifully. It's called Filthy. I think we should get it for a wash, right? Let's get it out in the sun. Get it off the jacks, get it out in the sun, see what we got. Look how long this thing's been. This thing's disgusting. Woo. It's on the floor. Looking real hoopty-ish right now with that zip tie, right? Yeah, I know. It's okay. I didn't put the side brackets on to hold the bumper 100%, so it's just pushed into the bump, the plug-in pieces that's on this side and that side. So I just gotta hold the bumper on there. I don't want it to flap around. Probably get it reconditioned anyway when I'm done. But 2 M3s on the floor, guys. Competition E46 M3 05 with the JZ, LS E46 M3 turbo. So let's get this outside though. It's still super dirty. Let's get it outside, see it in the light. It's been a long time. Well, I mean, it's finally outside and under the sun, even though it's dirty, this thing still looks good. It looks amazing, actually. It's been months, probably a year since this thing was parked inside. But, you know, those factory ZCP wheels are timeless with the ZCP brakes underneath. Yeah, you know, I was gonna wash it, but I don't know. Both of them are a little dirty, but this is actually a Kodak moment right here. Is it Kodak with the bumper? It's okay. Y'all know that's all gonna be 100% when I'm done with that. But what I'm gonna do now Let's go grab the trailer, hook it up, and I'm gonna do something real wild. You guys have no idea. This thing doesn't start, obviously, but I do have a driveway. My driveway is a hill. I'm gonna do something I've done before in the past and just kind of roll this up. It's just me, so I gotta improvise, make it work. Guys, I couldn't help but clean this car up. As you can see, we got Max approval. Max, you like it? That's a head bow? He don't bark. This thing looks nice. And it's still got some little imperfections that I'm gonna get paint corrected when it's done, but right now it just looks so perfect. Original paint. The comp wheels, super complimentary. Big brother, dirty, looking all mean. But time to get it up on the trailer. I wasn't gonna wash it, but I said, you know what? Let me just wash it and bring it in clean. All right, guys. So there goes the setup. There goes the hill. You gotta learn to improvise when you do things alone. So I know y'all might be wondering, like, how he gonna get it back? Let's see how I get it up there to begin with. Let's not run over Max, right? Gravity's your friend, guys. Gravity's your friend. Use it when you can. Jesus gave us gravity for a reason. So, use gravity and you get beauty up on top of the trailer. All right, we all locked and loaded. Road trip. It's been a long night, guys. It's been a long night. Almost there. I'm about 2 hours away from reaching up fab, gassing up for the second time. And, about to actually stop at my uncle's house, sleep for a couple hours, then just go down there in the morning. They don't open till like 9 o'clock, so it's a rush, right? But she looking good. Still looking good. Several hours of driving. This one's drinking more gas. See you guys in a couple hours. Guys, we made it to Up Fab down here in Florida, and boom, we got Bad Boy sitting there on the side, just going over the mastermind here, Jamie. What's up, Jamie? Listen, this guy's gonna take care of the E46 2J the same way. He's the mastermind behind the LS M3. So guys, get ready for some sick piping work and new grills on the bottom of this. Oh, let me let the UPS man go. What's up, man?
What's up?
The UPS man, guys. He deliver all the good parts.
We're working on this car.
Yeah? Oh, see? Look, Jamie working on everybody's car out here. So yeah, guys, this is it. Up Fab. Next time you guys see this car, it's gonna have some a badass grill in the front, you know, that big old intercooler, and some nice piping. So until next time, guys, peace. Thank you.